Hey, you guys won't see me much because first I'm in my craft dungeon. It's only a dungeon because I say because it's in the basement. I'll give you guys a kind of a tour soon. But for right now, it's really just gonna focus on the DIY and let's focus on me. You know, I know you guys love seeing my beautiful face. All right, guys, so this is everything you're gonna need for the DIY. First is gonna be fake plants. Now, you can either get them from the Dollar Tree or from Walmart. Now, Dollar Tree, the only thing I can say is theirs sometimes are seasonal. So they don't have, like right now, they don't have any greenery in their stock. They only have like brownish, greenish, reddish florals for like the, fall and winter time. But I had these from another project, so that's why I have the greenery. You'll also need a staple gun. This is just to make the frame sturdy and attach it together. You'll need wire cutters. These are to cut the flowers off of the main stalk. If you don't have them, you can get them from Family Dollar as well, or Dollar Tree. Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, you guys know what I'm talking about. Also, we have craft paint. They usually have this at Dollar Tree as well. I got that in black. You only need really one for the whole project. You can get two just to be safe. Some glue sticks, E6000. This is going to be to attach the frame to, to make it sturdy and to attach the frame along with the staples. Floral wire. I like this. I couldn't find any black, so I got this not the blue kind. This is from Dollar Tree as well, and this is to attach the floral together, so that they have like a strong foundation to stick it on the frame. You need a sponge, paintbrush, or whatever you want to call it. These are really good to have. I always buy a pack of them, just keep them sitting around. You can get these from the Dollar Tree as well. And then we have our paint sticks. I got these from Lowe's. I kind of picked up a few every time I went. And we're gonna take them from this original state here with the edges on them to this with no edge, so we can make a frame. And you'll also need a miter saw. Paint stick, don't tell Lowe's I got all these paint sticks. But anywho, so you're gonna take the Lowe's paint stick, you're gonna put it to the edge, the rear edge of the and be careful, guys. This is a saw. It's sharp, but it's not dangerous, but just be careful. So I line up the edge of the paint stick, if you can see here, with the 90-degree hole, so I can just cut off the edge. And pretty simple. You just kind of hold it. Well, no, I'm gonna do it this way. It gives me more leverage. So I'm gonna hold it flat, and then all you do is you slide the saw into the 90-degree slit or slot, and then you won't see it because my hands are on this side, but I'm pressing. Let me show you. I'm pressing the paint stick to the back of the miter box, and then you just literally. You want to press down while you're doing this because it makes it easier to just go right through. Hold on. Whoops. Alright, then when you hear that kind of like screechy noise, that means it's done. Boom, look at that. So to get the best result, because I've already done a few of these off camera, the best result I'm getting is to staple the front, because this wood is kind of thin. So what happens is the staple is going through and kind of making the wood pop out the back. So I'm going to staple the front of this and then go over it with our black paint so that you can't tell the staples are there. And then we're still going to put the flowers on the bottom, so it's going to be covered up either way, but it's going to kind of show you how I put this together. So for each one that I do, first I'm going to take my E6000, obviously, open it up and all that good stuff. And I'm going to take the edge, just one edge of the paint stick, and just put a little glue. So my E6000 is like super sticky because I leave it out, and I like it that way because I don't like it to be all like liquidy and whatever, because it's just harder to work with and it gets all on your hands. So got my glue, as you can see, not that much. And if any, I try to do so that if any fall through comes through, that it's gonna go to the back. And then I just attach it to the top. You see, you attach it to the top of the other stick. We're done with that. So I'm getting my paint here, shake it up. I've used this on another project, and then just alright. So I decided to use a different paintbrush just because this doesn't really fit. So using a smaller paintbrush that I've used to do the other frames, a little crunchy. Ooh, it's a real crunchy. But anywho, this part is real simple. We're just gonna paint the frame. Okay, this paintbrush is too crunchy. It's giving me streak lines. We're gonna go back to our original form, and that is the foam paintbrush. I'm just gonna make it fit. Sticking the right way. See, then it goes back. There we go. Got a nice one looking decent. So I'm going to pair these two together because I like the way that looks. So now we have a two-piece, and I just kind of sit it down. Just kind of sit it down so that I can kind of start getting an idea of what it's going to look like. I'm going to add some more florals to this. So again, this is all up to you, your creativity, what you think is going to look good. This is a finished frame I finished last night. I meant to tell you guys it's dried, so I don't have to worry about anything transferring. Here's another. I'm not going to worry about that. Okay, so this one you will need the wire cutters. So what you do is simply, literally, like, let's see. You need the whole stem because I'm going to attach these at the end. Literally just go and cut them. Boom. You're done.
It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's for
how, but I'm gonna go ahead and you see I did the top part already. So I'm gonna go diagonal with mine. And again, you can put this anywhere on the frame. You can put it at the side if you want. You can put it wherever. I'm gonna put mine on the edge, opposite edge. So got this one facing that way. I'm gonna do this one facing this way. And again, we're gonna go diagonal on the frame, so it's not like way off. And we're gonna go back and do the same 3 beads. We're gonna do a bead here, and a bead. And like I said, just kind of sit.
Go with the brother who, you know how we do.
It's not for me to say.
We're gonna sit it in the glue. These ones, I didn't trim the ends. I forgot to. And it makes it way harder to like get all of them in the glue. So remember to trim the ends on the flowers when you are done. And guys, I thought of something. Remember I said I don't throw stuff away? Look at these handy ends are coming back into play. Now I don't have to burn my fingers trying to press this into the glue while it dries. Boom. Okay. Now we're gonna go back in with our plant that we've already been, our flowers that we've already been using. Boop. And we're gonna take this, we're gonna put a good amount of glue on this one. And like I said, this is to cover the ends, the floral. Whew.